Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your name and profile picture on the Period Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on your profile name, and here if you want to change your profile picture, tap on change profile picture, which is the first option. You can either take a new photo with your phone or choose a picture from your gallery, an already existing picture, and then you can upload it as your profile picture. If you want to change your name, go back to this section and click on the button rename. Now you need to delete your current name and enter your new name. Tap on the button OK down below in order to save this change, and as you can see, your name has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.